Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to show you the way to download and install software updates on Mac running on macOS Ventura. On macOS Monterey and earlier macOS, we can check under the System Preference, Software Update option. But now on macOS Ventura, go to the Apple logo from the top menu and click on the System Settings option. Now, click on General and see the Software Update option. Wait for a few seconds or a minute. If you are looking for new update in beta version, then make sure beta profile is installed on Mac. If you want public macOS update, then remove beta profile and wait for the macOS version update that equal to beta version. To know the pending software update for your Mac. If you are not getting updates, then you have to recheck again or fix the problem with the link given in the video description. Now, click on the update button and install it once you download it. In this case, your Mac will ask to restart your Mac.